So hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So what we're gonna do is go through the solution for the challenge that I set you in the last video. As always, I'll put a link in this video to the previous video where we're discussing data types. So in the previous video, I basically said that I want you to create a set of variables to hold some information for a person. Now, I did briefly say whether you should think about if the content all relates to each other or not, and I'm hoping that you clock that they do. So what we're actually going to do is go through that solution now. So the first thing we should have done is create a struct called person. Now, if you're someone who knows about classes, because some people you might be completely new to this and not know what a class is. If you are aware of what a class is, using a class in this example isn't actually wrong. You could actually use a struct or a class for this solution. The main thing is encapsulating all these properties inside of an object. So in this example, I'm just going to show you what I used in the previous video. So we're just going to stick with structs. So then what I said was create some variables. So what we do is we create a variable for the username. So I'm hoping you guys said that it was going to be of type string, because obviously the usernames can have characters in them. Then the next thing we said was height. So with the height, I'm hoping you guys use doubles, because someone could be 155.6 centimeters or 1.8 meters or whatever. Now, if you did use float, it isn't wrong. You could use double or float, because they're both represent a decimals. The only difference between the two is the number that you can basically store in it. I think float actually has a higher storage compared to doubles, which is why I just usually don't use doubles, because you're never going to be like 1 billion meters tall. So the next one was to discuss was age. So I'm hoping for age you guys use int, because obviously you can't be 23.75 years old. You can only be a whole number, which is why we want to use an integer. And then finally we had is the user on holiday. So user, sorry, not is, so the user has been on holiday. And I'm hoping that you guys clocked that this was a boolean, because if the user has been on holiday, it's either true or false. So that should be represented as a boolean. So I'm hoping that you guys' variables and object matches mine. And if it does, then well done. If not, then it's fine. Go back to the previous video, rewatch it, and try it again to see where you might have made a mistake. So that's everything for this video today. Don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe. And any feedback, put it in the comment sections below. And what we'll do is in the next video, we'll just carry on with some more Swift fundamentals. So that's everything. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Deuces.